Everybody has a Gucci belt. Half of the time, the people you see with a Gucci belt have a fake. They have a fake Gucci belt. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadz. I make videos on makeup, fashion, and motherhood. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you get a notification whenever I upload. So today is an exciting video for me. I have no idea why, because literally I don't have any of the things in this wish list. But as you can tell from the title, this is a luxury wish list video, okay? And I made notes on my phone, but my phone is dead. Yes, I'm that person with the dead phone in the house. That's me, all day every day. But I'm just going to go off my memory, and hopefully my phone comes on by the time I'm almost done with this video, so I can add anything if I forget. Okay, so the first thing on my luxury wish list is the Christian Dior Slides. Okay, now listen, I know it's $600 and something for those slides, so probably I think 700. I will insert a clip right here so you guys can see, you know, how much they cost. But they're so cute, and I need to set my luxury shoe game up, because I do have a few luxury items in terms of perfumes, and probably like I have a Louis Vuitton. Like if you've been watching my channel, you've seen a few luxury like small items. I don't want to go too crazy on the purchases now, so I would say like $1,000 and under is what I would spend like right now, because like I don't want to be like doing too much. But those slides, and I heard they are comfortable, so I don't know, but I mean I would take the cuteness over comfort for this one, trust me. And if it's going to last me a long time, then why not, you know? So yes, that's the first thing on my luxury wish list, is those Christian Dior, I think they call the Dior Slides. I'll go ahead and put that so that you guys can see, and you might as well just fall in love with it too, because the next item on my luxury wish list is a Versace robe. I was so close to getting that last year, but I was like in a giving mood, so I was buying stuff for everybody else. Like I got Jay a bunch of really nice gifts, which I was supposed to. Let me know if it's too late to post a Christmas video. Because I have that video, like it's been sitting there and I need to edit it. I just didn't have a way to edit it, but now I do. So if y'all want to see my Christmas video where we were doing Christmas gift exchange and unwrapping, and also it was my mom's first time meeting Nasir, if you guys want to see that content, let me know. I don't care what time of the year it is, I will post it if you guys want to see it. And I feel like my channel is so small, like who would really mind, you know? So yes, so the next thing on my list is a Versace robe, and like I said, I was buying people gifts, so that's why I didn't buy myself this gift. But that Versace robe was on sale for $200 for Christmas, okay? And I should have gotten it. That's like the colorful one. Like yeah, I really liked it, and I didn't get it, and I thought Jay would have got it for me, but instead he got me like different things. But yeah, that is, I love robes. If you know me, you know I love robes. I will sleep, eat, do everything in a robe, because I'm always cold, so I would definitely make the best use out of that purchase. I know it would last me a long time. Next up from the Versace robe is the Gucci belt. Now the Gucci belt, it all over the place. Like everybody has a Gucci belt. Half of the time, the people you see with a Gucci belt have a fake Gucci belt, okay? A lot of people on Instagram I found out recently that a lot of people on Instagram have fake designer. DH Gate gives them like the replicas that look exactly the same, but for like less of the price. But yeah, if I had to buy a Gucci belt, I don't know, I feel like a belt for like $400, $300 is like, why, you know? I mean, the aesthetic, I get it, but I don't know, it's on my list. But I don't know, if I don't get it, I don't mind. Honestly, I would do the Valentino belt. maybe before I do the Gucci belt. I don't know. We'll see. The double G's do look cute though. Another item on my luxury wish list is a YSL clutch bag. Okay, so there is a YSL clutch bag that looks exactly, I don't remember, it's a French name obviously because it's Yves Saint Laurent, but there is this clutch bag that looks just like one of their bags, and you can just put chain onto it and wear it like that actual bag. So I'm all for saving cost even in luxury. Okay, so I would definitely get myself that clutch bag. I think the actual bag itself is like over like 1,000 something, or even maybe even more than that. If I find the price, I'll put it on. But that clutch is about $700 to $800, and like I said, anything lower than 1,000, I'm with it. Okay, so I would definitely get that YSL bag, and I just love the hardware on YSL. Like I would get the nude color in that one because it's just so cute. While we're on the topic of bags, my next item on my luxury wish list is a, can you guess? No, I cannot pronounce this. My sister laughs all the time. Jacquemus bag, and any bag from him, any color from him, I want it. I just love it. I just love the innovation. I love the different styles. I love all of the vibrant colors. I love the small ones. I just love it. The circle bag, the small one, like all of them, they just so like different to me. I really think that he offers something to the luxury market that we were missing, and they're not too expensive. Like I really feel like they are affordable. I think the ones that I want are usually around $500, which is cheaper than my Louis Vuitton wallet that was like really small. So I definitely want one of his bags. Okay, I'm saying this straight to the camera. If anybody out there is listening and y'all want to put together to buy me a gift, buy me a Jacquemus Bag. Okay, so I want to talk about shoes for a second. Now luxury shoes, like, okay, so I probably should have put that with the Christian Dior, but I want me those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. Yo, I have been loving those sneakers ever since I saw them the first time, and then Kelly put it in a song, so then it was like, no, I have to get it. But they're like $800, so I was like, no sis, it's not that serious. But they were on sale for like $500 and something. So you really have to look up for the sales, and I would say Saks Fifth Avenue definitely comes through the sales, so check back with them Christmas time. And you can also buy things on Klarna. I don't know if y'all know you can buy a luxury on Klarna and pay for it monthly. Now if it's not that serious, like I feel like if you cannot pay for it full, you probably shouldn't be getting it, but that's not true, because sometimes you just don't want to see all that money leave your account at the same time. Like it's I feel like that's a logical reason, and who knows, who's gonna know? Clearly I watch too much social media because I keep referencing those reels, but who's gonna know? Like honestly, yeah. But I don't know if I'm going to get it or not, but it's on my wish list because it looks very comfortable and super cute. Another shoe I have on my luxury wish list is a red bottom. These are bloody shoes, okay? Kanye has like a song for all. Okay, yeah, I definitely want some red bottoms. Okay, just, and I know it's the bottom of the shoe. It wouldn't always look like nice, and it wouldn't always be red, but I just, at one point it will be red. I just want one good picture. But no, honestly, and I heard they are very comfortable. I don't know how true that is, but I definitely think I want me some red bottoms, so that is on my wish list as well. Okay, next up on my wish list is so I have, y'all know that I have the Sarah Louis Vuitton wallet. Well, I want a CAD wallet from Louis Vuitton, or a card case or a card holder. I want the card holder from Louis Vuitton. because sometimes I carry other bags, right? And the bags I carry are so small. Sometimes my Louis Vuitton wallet cannot fit in those small bags, so I just need to have something to carry my cards in. And the Louis Vuitton one was $200. Yeah, I think it was there, but like 200, maybe 225. No, it's 265. Or is it 285? I will put it on the screen, but it's coming up. It's ridiculous. So I feel like I need to buy it, like hurry up and buy it before it goes to some extreme price, because Louis Vuitton likes to increase their prices several times in 1 year. But I definitely want a card case from Louis Vuitton. Okay, last but not least on my wish list, this one gonna have the girls saying, girl, you're crazy. Girl, you're crazy. But nothing in life is impossible, okay? Nothing in life is, and this is a wish list or manifesting. This is not a wish list, okay? This is a manifestation list of luxury items, okay? And the last item on my luxury manifestation list is a drum roll, please. A Tesla, baby. Yes, a Tesla. Your girl want the Tesla Plaid X, okay, with the white interiors and the butterfly doors. Well, it's not butterflies, the falcon doors, okay, with the monitor in the back, okay, like with the 3 rows of seats, okay, with the half steering wheel. Yes, that is me. It looking like me. It looking like me. From the time I see that, I say that is me. That is me. It looking like me. It calling my name. So I am definitely manifesting that, okay? And yo, we should do a video on manifestation, because let me tell you some of the power of manifestation. And like the whole time I didn't know, but baby girl, oh yeah, definitely. So this wraps up my video. I believe those were 10 items. Hopefully I didn't forget anything on my list, but that is my luxury manifestation list, not wish list, because it is possible. So yes, if you guys want any of those items on my list, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video if you care. Like, sharing is caring, honestly, and it really does help the content. And your girl is trying to get to 1,500 subbies. I know it's possible, and I'm about to bring the heat video after video, and I'm about to try and be consistent, girl. Don't hold me to it. I'm gonna try. I'm going to try, okay? So that's the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching, and check out my previous videos if you haven't before. Check out my unboxings, my luxury unboxings that I already have on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.